Look at this. What do you think of this? After all these years of wondering where she was and what she was doing, devil take me if I can imagine anything like this.
What are you talking about, Mike?
Read it. Right there. It's his son, alright? So, we have a priest in the family now. We're getting on.
I wonder where she got the money to send him to school.
Where she get it? Your father would not shut up about the money you took from him. It's funny. He's trying to be a priest. You should remember what he used to say. You should have to pay God back for much different crotcha.
I don't think my dad would call making her son a priest paying God for what she did to him. Are you working tonight?
Yep. 5 shifts at the mill this week. It's very good.
I used a bit more butter this time. I'll put a piece in your lunch.
Thank you.
It's getting late, honey.
Mary.
Oh, Mike, I forgot again. Sit down.
How's your father get along with this new widow?
What about her?
Hey, he told her he's a priest for her stepson now.
Well, he's always changing the subject when it comes to that. Who does he think he's fooling?
What have you done with your hair?
My hair? Nothing. I washed it for tomorrow.
It looks nice. Then let Mr. Shine.
Maybe because I use rainwater.
Well, whatever you use, it looks much better.
I feel better. There.
Thank you, Mrs. Bye, honey.